Hello, I'm Dr. John Perlman, Beverly Hills plastic surgeon and ABC TV Extreme Makeover plastic surgeon. Welcome to the video. I'd like to take a few moments to answer very common questions that I receive about breast augmentation performed here in Beverly Hills. Unlike the word on the street, most of the patients who come to my Beverly Hills office for plastic surgery are looking for a natural result. They don't want overly large breast implants. They don't want to call attention to themselves, but they want to feel good about themselves, especially with good body proportioning and a natural shape and natural feel. When people tell me that they can always tell a patient who's had or a woman who's had a breast augmentation, the answer is you can only tell the obvious cases. But most patients have a good proportioning that kind of looks appealing, but is not excessive or excessively round or excessively large in size. That's what I consider to be a successful Beverly Hills breast augmentation. Most of my patients these days are trying to achieve a C-cup range, which can vary from a very conservative small C-cup up to an upper or full C-cup, nearly a D-cup in size. Most of the patients prefer the use of silicone implants these days, and I recommend to my patients the use of cohesive gel Sientra silicone implants with a round, smooth surface that's easily placed under the muscle through a little incision within the perimeter of the areola surrounding the nipple. That, I think, gives the patient the best opportunity to have a natural looking result that's not obvious to anybody feeling their breasts or seeing their proportioning, as long as it's not excessively large and as long as their healing proceeds well. Toward that goal, we have massage exercises that I have developed over the years and certain restrictions of physical activity that I think improves the chances of having a soft and natural result and outcome from the surgery. Well, I hope that gives you some information that's of interest to you. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to visit my website at www.perlmanmd.com, perlmanmd.com, or call us at 310-854-0031. Thanks, and have a good day. I look forward to meeting you.